watcher and subscribers, today we are going to have continue statement. So first I suggest you have to go through with the looping and break, then only you can understand the continue statement. So I just give you one example here before going practically. Suppose you want to show the values from 1 to 5 like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But in case you want to skip the third value, then you may refer the continue statement, because after that you have to print fourth and fifth. Because in break what happened, the loop means entirely stop working whenever the condition beat, but in continue only some part of your output can be missed. If you use the continue statement, it will not break the entire loop, it will mean stop some part of execution. So that is what we use the continue. Now we will see practically how it happen. So here I am doing initialization. Suppose I do with the 0 value, and then I am going to have while loop. So in that while loop, my condition is a less than equals to 5, and here you have to use colon, and then I want to put the logic a equal to a plus 1. I am not going to use here print directly, then you will understand why I am doing like that. So here the incrementation counter is there, you can use it anywhere, it doesn't matter, it depends on your requirement. And then I want to put here condition if the a value is exactly equals to 3, then it should continue. So here whenever the value is exactly equal to 3, then it will execute that continue. Continue means it will skip the current iteration, means current step, and then after that continue. As you understood here, it is just like break depend on condition, continue depend on condition, and it is the last statement generally. So here in the if the last statement is continue, just like break, the last statement is break. Okay, because after that it will go out of that particular block, so it is the last statement. So after the continue I am going to have print. So this is the print statement, and here the indentation is same for a equal to a plus 1, print and if, so it will belong to the while. So we are printing the value of a simply. So now here we will check the output, what kind of output we are getting exactly. So you see we are getting 1, 2, and third one is skipping, then 4, 5, 6. Because why? Whenever the value is 0, condition is true, so 0 plus 1 is 1. Then here condition is false, because a is not equals to 3 means 0. Sorry, here the value is changed 1, so 1 not equal to 3, so it will skip that continue and print the value 1. Then again it will check the condition, and for the next iteration, so as the value is 1, so here 1 plus 1 is 2, so now a is 2, condition is false, so it will print the value 2. Then again it will check condition, so next value is 2, so here 2 plus 1 is 3, so it is exactly equal to 3, so continue will run. So continue means what happen, it will skip the, means it will directly go to the condition. Okay, whenever it is executed it will directly go to condition. So because of that a equal to 3, it is not printed. So then next value is 3 plus 1 4, condition is false, so it will print 4. Then here 4 plus 1 is 5, so it will print 5. So in this way third will not be printed. So whenever you want to skip that specific iteration, then you can go with the continue. I hope you understood this. Now we go for the for loop. Means in the for loop we will see how you can go with the continue. So here now I'm in the blank screen. So in the for loop, as usual, I am going to take the help of the list. So here we have the values up to 5. So here we have the list of 5 elements, and after that I am going to have the for loop for a in L. Okay, so for a in L, and here we have to use colon. And suppose if I go with the print directly, print of a, then you just see what kind of output you are getting. So definitely it will show the value from 1 to 5, but here I want to skip the third iteration. Then here I am going to have if a exactly equals to 3, and then it should continue. So here whenever the a is 3, it will continue. So what happen, it will print first value is 1, so it is false, so it will print the value 1. So first we check the output once again. So it is 1, 2, third is skipping, then fourth and 5. So whenever it is 1, condition is false, so it will print 1. Then for the next value is 2, so it is in the range, and then it will skip, 2 will be printed. Whenever it is 3, then continue will run, so again it will control will go in the for loop, so 3 value will not be printed. So when it is 4, that condition is false, fourth will print. Then again it will go to the for loop, then condition is false and fifth value will be printed. So because of this continue, we are stopping the iteration. Specific iteration means we are not printing the value 3. And suppose if I do with little bit different condition, if a is greater than 3, sorry, if a is greater than 3, then what will happen? Just we play with that. So you see 1, 2 and 3 is printing because initially value 1, so it is false. Because a, it is not greater than 3, then it will print 2 because 2 also false. Once it is 3, 3 also false, but 1 it is 4, 4 greater than 3, it is true, so it will skip that. Next value comes 5, 5 greater than skip 3, it is true, so it will skip that. So we are skipping the 2 iterations. So in this way it is not just like you can skip 1 iteration, you can skip 2 also. It depend on condition. Whenever it is true, that particular iteration will be skip. Iteration means your particular step. So in this way it depend on condition. So here I think you understood how to go with the continue in the looping. You can use with the for, you can use with the while. Whenever you use, you put the specific criteria, specific condition, then it will work out. And it is the last statement. Whenever you go with the if statement, the break and continue will be the last statement, because you see after that it will go to the indentation for the for loop. You see it is automatically coming. So in this way you can go with the continue and the break statement. So I hope dear student you understood this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Thank you.